Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Dewalt DCM563 Hedge trimmer. It has a 5 amp hour lithium-ion battery with a runtime of up to 75 minutes according to the marketing spec. It has a 55 centimeter long blade with a cutting cap of 19 millimeters. The product weight is at 3.5 kilograms. It seems that the box doesn't really come open that well. I had to cut open the sides as well to get it open. So in the box there is a charger, one 5 amp hour battery, it's an 18-volt battery, which should be compatible with other Dewalt devices as well, and the actual hedge trimmer. The build quality on the hedge trimmer seems very good, as with all Dewalt devices. The label says it's a Dewalt DCM563, made in PRC, Germany. The trigger is, it has still a prevention. I need to cut that open, and in any case I need to charge the battery. It does say in the manual about the battery that, as usually all lithium-ion batteries, they are not fully charged when they are stored in the box, so it needs to be charged before first use. And it does explain that somewhere here in the manual it has a ridiculous amount of pages about the battery. But I think the most important thing is that charge it before first use, and for storage it says that you need to fully charge it before a longer storage. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Once I have done a review of the edge trimmer, I'll leave a link up there. So hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.